Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make a fluffy souffle omelette. Start by gently separating your egg whites from the yolks. This is a crucial first step for achieving that signature souffle texture. Make sure your bowl for the whites is impeccably clean and free of any grease, as even a tiny bit can prevent them from whipping up properly. For a perfect single-serving omelette, we'll be using 3 large eggs. This foundational step sets the stage for a truly delightful and airy breakfast. Now, it's time to whip those egg whites. Using a stand mixer or a hand mixer on medium-high speed, beat them until they transform into firm, glossy, stiff peaks. A tiny pinch of salt added at the beginning helps to stabilize the foam, ensuring your whites hold their volume beautifully. This process usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, creating the airy foundation for your souffle omelette. With your stiff egg whites ready, gently fold them into your seasoned egg yolks. The key here is to maintain as much air as possible, so be delicate. Next, heat a 9-inch non-stick pan over medium-low heat, adding about 1 tablespoon of butter until it's melted and shimmering. Pour your fluffy egg mixture into the pan, spreading it evenly. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes until the bottom is set. To finish, cover the pan with a lid and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the top to set and become wonderfully fluffy without overcooking the bottom. Once it's beautifully puffed and golden, gently fold the omelette in half and carefully slide it onto a warm plate. Serve your exquisite souffle omelette immediately with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dollop of creme fraiche for an unforgettable breakfast experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.